All right, so we'll get the kitchen sink on a 60-degree. Comes down into this Y. 3-inch clean out. Some homebrew 2x4s with the metal strapping. Grab the light. We got this all sloped. This is where we're running it. I'm splitting the bubble. That's what I'm doing. That's what we're doing. Comes down. That was the foundation hole we had to drill. This part was a little tricky here, but got the Y with the street 45 and then another street 45 hooking it down. 3-inch coupler. I had to angle that down a little bit. There's really no way around it. I didn't want to get too crazy on the rest of the slope here. It's all the same. Yeah, so this goes in. It's a 90 here, which I don't love, but the stuff's all in a row here, so that's how we're doing it. Laundry, drain. We got sink. Yep, sink drain. And come around. Yeah, so laundry drain, sink drain, toilet. Is the toilet drain. And then we got tub shower with the overflow, another clean out. Yeah, so that's what we got right there. Hopefully that concludes drain lines. I mean, maybe you could throw another clean out somewhere, but we have a clean out right outside there too. So we have one here, that far corner, and then other side of the wall. So I'll have to measure. I didn't measure how far apart we have them, but yeah. So that's what we got so far.